We need to replace oppressive stress with purposeful passion. That is a line from my journal a while back. And I was looking at where I wanted to be a year from now and why it was important for me to follow my dreams, follow what I wanted to do, and follow my quest. So I wanted to talk a little bit about oppressive stress versus purposeful passion. Welcome to my journey of self-discovery, life balance, career success, and business creation. This podcast works to answer the question of how successful professionals like us stop drifting and get focused on keeping our careers and businesses growing rapidly while having a full, balanced, and vibrant life that we absolutely love. What we call the Third Power Life. And this is the Third Power Life Podcast. So whenever we are working, there is pressure. There are things that we have to do. There's, stuff that we don't want to do. There's stress, right? The difference is that if you are doing stress for something that you are not passionate about, whether it's work or family life or otherwise, it's oppressive stress. It is stress, right? But if you are doing something that you truly love and truly have passion for, it's not stress. It's just purposeful passion. It's passion. It's, yes, it's hard work, but it feels good, right? And I guess it's positive stress or negative stress, right? What is it? It's distress or eustress, I think there's a term I remember, but that's euphoric stress. And that is why having a purpose is so vitally important. Having your quest, something that you're going after, because the reality of it is we have to do hard work. We have to do things that we don't want to do, but there needs to be a purpose behind it. Otherwise, it's just stress. It's just, work sucks, right? But if you've got a purpose behind you, if you're, building a house for someone, or if you're, doing a walk for the United Way or whatever, it's stress, it's work, but it doesn't feel like it. It's closer to play. So that's why I talk so much about purpose, so that we're not just drifting through life, that we've got a guidance, guiding star, if you will. But more importantly, so that when we do the work that we have to do, that it doesn't kill us. It gives us life instead. So how do you take and find what you love to do? So that way, they say, if you do something you love to do, you never work a day in your life. We've all heard that phrase. And that's what it really comes down to, is doing something that we love. So find, how do you take what you're doing and turn it into a passion project? And if you find that you really, really, what you're doing is not aligned with your purpose, it's not aligned with who you are, it's not aligned with your quest, maybe it's time for a change. It can be scary, but the alternatives are terrible. Are you going to be stuck doing the same thing forever and ever that you hate? That doesn't sound like a way to live to me. So how can you find your purpose, find your quest, and align the things that you're working on with that, so that it's not oppressive stress, it is purposeful passion. That is what I hope for you. If I can help you, let me know. If you've got stuff that you want to make a change on, send me a message, tag me in social media. Love to talk to you about it. All right. Till tomorrow, my friends. Glad you enjoyed this podcast. Please let us know what impacted you in today's episode. You can join our Discord or Facebook community to connect with like-minded people that want a real Third Power life. You can go to thirdpowerlife.com or look in the show notes for links. And remember, hit that like, subscribe, and rate button for the Third Power Life podcast. Until next time.